So guys, in today's video I'll be showing you exactly how you can make over $1,090 promoting an affiliate product, just copying and pasting videos online. So this particular strategy is much easier for a complete beginner and it works for everybody irrespective of the country you are from. So all you have to do is just to copy videos and paste it and you should be able to make money. So and if you actually follow up to the end, I'm going to show you a bonus strategy that allow you to make $260 while promoting Amazon products. So ensure to watch this video from beginning to the end and follow up, because if you don't follow up with this tutorial, you are not going to make any money. So without wasting much of time, let me quickly show you exactly how you can make this kind of money. So all you have to do is to come to this particular website called kickbooster.me. So let's go back to the marketplace. So let's go back. So this is the marketplace. So on kickbooster.me, this is a particular affiliate network that allow you to promote product that has just been launched to the market. So this particular platform allow you to check there are a lot of products that have been launched into the market. They are not saturated, so they have different categories ranging from beauties and personal care, design, education, everyday, fashion, food, and different categories you can actually promote. And the good thing about it, they pay a lot of percentage, up to 10% percentage, like 10, some pay up to 20, unlike you promoting product from Amazon that pay maximum of 2-3%. So it's a very good strategy to be able to make a lot of profits while promoting product online. So right now, for you to get started, you have to click on sign up for this particular platform. So you are going to click on sign up. So due to the fact that I've already signed up, so as you can see, just log me in to the platform. So but right now, let's go back to the marketplace to be able to see the kind of products we are going to promote. So as you can see, if you check this particular campaign, they have over $10,000 raised, and like out of 244. So we can actually find a product we think is going to resonate with our audience. So let's just try to find a product. These products are much okay, like we can actually promote them. So let's assume that we want to promote this particular product that are going to pay us 10% commission. So we are going to click on view the campaign on Kickbooster. So it's trying to load up now. So as you can see, this is a particular product which is, I think, it's a charger. So peradventure they ship throughout the whole world, and it's a fast charger that charges someone's phone. So you can actually promote this product and without need to record a video, because as you can see, they are provided us with a lot of material we can actually use to promote this product. The number one strategy you are supposed to use to promote this product to be able to make commission is actually to come to TikTok. So TikTok is a social media platform that is blowing up right now. There are a lot of content. People are really producing content on this platform and it's going viral on this platform. You can actually leverage TikTok with YouTube Short. Those two platforms, they are growing and they are pushing the content a lot. So you can get out of millions of views on the platform. We are mainly focused on posting content without even producing content ourselves. So all we have to do is to try to check. For example, now we want to promote a particular product which is called Zeus charger. So let's go on TikTok, then search for like charger. Let's search for charger. So we are going to find the content. Okay, as you can see, there are a lot of charger over here. This one have over 26.5k view. So this is a charger. So let's find another content that is going to resonate with our audience. So I think this is the only content that is related to charger. There are a lot of content you think they have a lot of views we can actually use. So let's try to check this particular video. So this is a charger and it's done well on TikTok. So if you can post it on YouTube Short, there's high chances that this content is going to do well also. So let's copy the URL to be able to download this particular video. We are going to copy the URL. So we are going to find a TikTok video downloader. TikTok. You are going to go to the Google search TikTok video downloader. So this particular online tool will allow us to download this video to but there's this particular one I actually use, like it's called musical download. So this particular tool we download without watermark, because if we actually upload it to YouTube with watermark, we are run to issue with YouTube. So all you have to do is just to paste. It's trying to load up, so I'm just going to paste the URL over here, then click on download. So it's trying to load up the video. So as you can see, this is the video. Like you actually download this particular video to our laptop. So we have to download the video to our computer. So I'm going to close the ad So the video is being downloading to our computer right now. So, but more importantly, you know, the reason why we are downloading this video is because we want to post it to YouTube Shorts. So for us to do that, we want to ensure that we actually add call to action. Peradventure, we remove the background sound to be able to make sure that it's in line with YouTube, because if you have a copyright videos or copyright audio, YouTube might actually suspend our account. So if we want to do that, we are going to use this particular app which is called CapCut. I made a tutorial about it. I'm going to drop it here or in this side description. So ensure to watch this video on how you can actually use CapCut to edit your video. So after you have downloaded it, we are going to edit our video, then upload it back to YouTube. So let's assume that this is the channel we actually created for all these short videos. So we can actually upload this video by clicking on create, then upload the video. So it's going to bring an option for us to be able to upload this video, then be able to optimize it for SEO. So right now we can actually select the video we want to upload from our laptop. So this is the video we actually download, but I wouldn't want to upload this video because it's not really in line with what I do here. So this is my main channel, so I wouldn't want to upload it. So after we have uploaded, let me just go back and check one of the short video I've uploaded in the past, so that I'll be able to show you exactly how you can. Okay, let's assume that this is the video you actually upload. So you can actually create a very short title about the video, then include shorts inside the title or inside the description. So right now we are mostly concerned about making money with the affiliate marketing. So we are going to find the products we actually want to boost via there. So we are going to click on boost. So by clicking on boost, we should be able to get our affiliate link to be able to make commission off of this product. So as you can see, you earn 10% cashback for helping or spread the information. So if you are satisfied with the campaign, we are now going to click on boost our campaign. So by clicking on boost our campaign, you should be able to get our affiliate link. As you can see, this is our affiliate link. So please wait while we generate your affiliate link. So right now we should be able to copy our affiliate link, and you know, there are a lot of promotional material. We can download the video we can use to promote this particular product. It's trying to generate it. So let's just refresh to see if you actually generate. Okay. So this is our affiliate link. So all you have to do is just to copy the affiliate link, come back to the YouTube channel, like YouTube video, then paste your affiliate link over here. So whenever someone actually watch this short video, because you don't really need to promote it, there's high chances that they are going to check inside the description. So whenever they click on this particular link, it's going to redirect them to your products, like the official page, and if they buy, you make 10% commission. So on this particular product, which is Zeus charger. The truth to be told, like right now YouTube is actually promoting a lot of short content. You don't really need any promotion. You just post this video and you just wait for traffic to start pulling in. So all you have to do is just to post this content. You know, you try to gather a lot of content, and more importantly, you know that we actually download this video from TikTok and it has done well on TikTok. There's high chances that if you also post it on YouTube, this video might actually go viral here on YouTube. You know, so you have to ensure you copy the right tag by going on YouTube. So you are going to type in probably a particular keyword like phone charger. So these are the top video that is performing very well. You can actually click on those videos. So the reason why we are copying this tag, so that our video will be able to rank on the short sale on this particular platform. So as you can see, we have a lot of video that people have made about charger. So let's just click on one video to be able to copy their tags. So let's just copy this one. Let's just try to load this one, then pause. So we can actually copy the tag. If you want to do that, you have to ensure you install Vidiq Chrome extension of TUBEBUDDY. So this particular extension allows you to copy tags without any stress. So if you want to use those, I will also drop inside the description. So these are the tags that is available. All you have to do is just to copy it, then come over to this video, then paste all those tags. So you know, I'm not going to paste this tag because it's quite different. So if you paste them, it's going to bring up all these tags. So the reason being that if you can copy it and paste it in this video, so whenever someone search for a particular keyword which is phone charger, there is high chances that we can actually rank on the short shelf and start getting a lot of view on YouTube. So, and more importantly, you know, at the beginning of this video, I promise you the bonus method that will allow me to make $265 on Amazon affiliate. So I will drop a particular video right now, so ensure to watch this video. It will walk you through the entire process. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in my next video. Bye.